Describe about pre-launch marketing and asset formation and online course creation. Pre-launch marketing and asset formation are critical steps in the online course creation process that help build anticipation, generate interest, and attract potential students before the course is officially launched. Here's a detailed description of each. Pre-launch marketing. A. Build an audience. Start by building an audience of potential students who are interested in your course topic. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email newsletters, blogs, and webinars to attract followers, subscribers, and leads who align with your target audience. B. Create buzz. Generate buzz and excitement around your upcoming course by teasing its launch on social media platforms, through email campaigns, or on your website. Use captivating visuals, sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, and countdowns to pique curiosity and build anticipation. C. Offer early bird incentives. Encourage early enrollment by offering special incentives or discounts to early bird registrants. Limited time offers, exclusive bonuses, or access to beta versions of the course can motivate prospective students to commit to enrolling before the official launch date. D. Engage with your audience. Foster engagement and interaction with your audience through live Q&A sessions, virtual events, or social media chats. Encourage conversations, answer questions, and address concerns to build rapport and trust with your audience. E. Collect feedback and testimonials. Gather feedback and testimonials from your audience or beta testers who have previewed the course content. Use their insights and testimonials to refine your course offering, address any concerns or gaps, and build credibility with prospective students. F. Create compelling content. Produce valuable content related to your course topic to showcase your expertise and provide value to your audience. Publish blog posts, videos, podcasts, or downloadable resources that offer insights, tips, or previews of what to expect in the course. G. Collaborate with influencers or partners. Partner with influencers, industry experts, or complementary businesses to extend your reach and tap into their existing audience networks. Collaborate on guest blog posts, joint webinars, or co-branded promotions to leverage their credibility and expand your reach. Asset formation. A. Course materials. Develop high-quality course materials, including video lectures, slideshows, written content, quizzes, assignments, and supplementary resources. Ensure that the content is well organized, engaging, and aligned with the learning objectives of the course. B. Course website or platform. Create a dedicated website or landing page for your course where prospective students can learn more about the course, view testimonials, and enroll. Choose a user-friendly course platform or learning management system, LMS, to host and deliver your course content securely. C. Sales and marketing collateral. Design compelling sales and marketing collateral, including sales pages, email sequences, social media posts, and promotional graphics. Clearly communicate the value proposition of your course, highlight key benefits, and address common objections to encourage enrollment. D. Opt-in offers and lead magnets. Create opt-in offers or lead magnets such as free guides, cheat sheets, or mini courses related to your course topic to attract leads and build your email list. Use these lead magnets to provide value upfront and nurture relationships with potential students. E. Email sequences and automation. Set up email sequences and automation to deliver targeted messages to your audience at different stages of the pre-launch process. Use email marketing software to segment your audience, personalize messages, and track engagement metrics. F. Launch plan and timeline. Develop a comprehensive launch plan and timeline that outlines key milestones, tasks, and deadlines leading up to the course launch. Coordinate with your team or collaborators to ensure that all assets are created, tested, and ready to go live on schedule. By implementing pre-launch marketing strategies and asset formation activities effectively, you can create momentum, generate interest, and attract eager students to enroll in your online course when it launches. This sets the stage for a successful course launch and lays the foundation for long-term growth and success in your online course business.